Hey guys, welcome back. We got another video today. This one, we've been having some problems with our lights. As you can tell, that's the under cabinet lighting that we have. We've got some flickering going on. We're going to try to give a quick replacement of the just the standard fluorescent tube. Bought these off of Amazon at a bulk of, I don't know, like 8 or 16. They weren't too much. If I recall, maybe $1 or $2 per light. A lot cheaper than going to Home Depot, Lowe's, all those. I think they were running $5-6 a pop. So like I said, Amazon was the great one to have to pick some of these up. Of course, it's just a flashlight, so it's just a bulb. Who cares, right? So let's go ahead and I just kind of take this little plastic spot, I push it in until it starts to come down. So you can tell the flashing's going on pretty hard. It's been bothering us the last couple days, so went ahead and picked one of these tubes up. Of course, you can tell we've got some standard sizes here. I forgot the actual the length that they called this one. We've got a 12-inch length. Yeah, so we got a 1 foot here. I think this one was about 20 inches. Of course, I didn't buy any of these, so we're gonna give a quick shot to see if actually just replacing one of these kind of helps that connection fill out. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just take these tubes. Which kind of just rotate it. This one's gonna rotate down towards me. Of course, right here in this area gets a little hot, so stay away from this spot. That's where all this stuff's going through. So yeah, go ahead and twist that right out. I'll get this new one out. Of course, I've left the lights on. Of course, you want to do it right. Turn the lights off. Make sure that you don't have any of the electricity flowing through it. But this one will show you how just changing it right here works. You can tell that connection is so much better. Like, we don't have any flickering going on. So this tube seemed to be okay. So rather than having to replace both of them, looks like I'm just gonna have to replace this one. And we'll go ahead and take it. And we'll just kind of rotate them until they kind of snap into place. Of course, I'm getting a little sweaty hands going on, so. Paper towel. Let me get a little bit of. Sorry for putting you guys right into the cabinet, but there we go. We got just kind of notched right in there. Of course, you can see the connections are straight up and down. So look, there we go. Awesome. I'm glad I didn't have to buy another one on the big one. So again, we'll just take this, push it up in the back. You can see those lips. Get it right underneath it. Push it up there. Good as new. Awesome, guys. Hope that one helped. Like I said, you buy some of these off of Amazon. This is a standard 12-inch tube. Make sure you do gotta watch out for the colors. Of course, we're running cool white here. We're pretty close in color. I imagine they're both putting out about the same, but you know, it's not gonna be enough to bother us. Of course, you can tell the ones down there. There's a little bit of offset on the colors, but like I said, you're not gonna notice unless you're looking straight at it. So glad we found that one seemed to be the bad tube, and I'll keep them around just to be safe. It's not like I have a battery tester on these, but like I said, I like to keep a couple extra around and then kind of test to see if they work. So yeah, anyway, hope that was a cool video for you guys, and if as always, feel free to comment, like us, push this along to other people, and stay in contact with us, and hope you guys like that one. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.